Yo, what's up everybody? It's EcoInnovaTech. We're back with another EcoInnovaTech, and today we're talking about something you see every single day but probably don't think twice about: windows. But imagine if those windows weren't just letting light in but actually powering your entire house. That's the promise of quantum dot windows. And it's not as sci-fi as it sounds. We're talking actual buildings running on light thanks to some seriously next-level tech. From skyscrapers in Singapore to apartments in Germany, quantum dot windows are popping up everywhere, generating clean energy from, get this, invisible light. And the best part, they still look like regular windows. We're diving deep into 3 major breakthroughs in this tech, so stick around to see how quantum dots are changing the game. Alright, so first up, we're heading over to Singapore, a country known for its innovative architecture and push for sustainability. Now picture this: massive skyscrapers towering over the city, gleaming in the sunlight. But here's the kicker. These buildings are partially powered by the windows themselves. We're talking about quantum dot windows, and these things are seriously cool. Basically, you've got these tiny semiconductor particles, called quantum dots, embedded right there in the glass. These dots are so small you can't even see them, but they're working hard, absorbing UV and infrared light, the stuff we can't even see, and converting it into usable electricity. And we're not talking about a negligible amount of power here. In 2025 trials, these quantum dot windows are already generating up to 10% of a building's total energy needs. Think about that for a second. That's enough to power the lighting in common areas, run the elevators, maybe even the air conditioning, all from windows that look just like regular glass. But it gets even more impressive when you factor in the AI optimization. They're using AI to figure out the absolute best size and placement for these quantum dots within the glass, maximizing energy output without sacrificing transparency. It's like having a super efficient, invisible solar panel built right into your window. Now let's hop over to Germany, where they're taking a slightly different approach with this quantum dot technology. Instead of massive skyscrapers, they're focusing on integrating these windows into residential homes. Imagine this: you're chilling in your apartment, enjoying the natural light streaming through your windows, and unbeknownst to you, those windows are quietly generating power, offsetting your energy bill. That's the reality they're building over in Germany with these smaller scale quantum dot windows. And these aren't just any windows, they're smart windows, powered by AI that constantly adapts to changing light conditions. Think about it. Even on a cloudy day, or in the evening when the sun's down, there's still ambient light filtering through. These AI-powered windows can actually tweak how the quantum dots absorb that light in real time, squeezing out every last drop of potential energy. We're talking about boosting efficiency up to 15%, which is double what they were achieving back in 2023. That might not sound like much, but it adds up. Early data suggests that a single window with this tech could generate enough power to charge your devices, run LED lights, even power small appliances. We're talking about a 20% reduction in your energy bill just from having smarter windows. And the best part is, it's completely passive. You don't need direct sunlight, you don't need to do anything. The windows just handle it all. Chapter 3. The quantum revolution hits retail. Okay, last but not least, let's head over to the United States, where they're putting quantum dot windows to work in a place you might not expect: shopping malls. Think about it. Malls have huge glass facades, constantly bathed in sunlight, and artificial light for that matter. That's a lot of potential energy just going to waste. So in 2025, we're seeing pilot programs popping up in California using these quantum dot films on shop windows to power all sorts of things. We're talking sensors, digital signage, even the Wi-Fi network. And because these are retail spaces, they've got to maintain that clean, modern aesthetic, which is where the transparent nature of these quantum dot films really shines. But here's where the AI integration gets really interesting. They're using AI to predict light patterns throughout the day. Think about it. You've got the changing angle of the sun, reflections off nearby buildings, even things like twilight and cloud cover. The AI takes all of this into account and constantly adjusts the quantum dots to ensure a consistent energy output, even when the light conditions aren't ideal. And the results speak for themselves. These quantum dot films are already generating 5 to 7% of a store's total energy needs, which might not seem like much, but when you scale that up to every store in a mall, every mall in a city, you're talking about a significant reduction in energy consumption and carbon emissions. So, as you can see, this quantum dot window technology is not just some futuristic concept. It's here, it's evolving rapidly, and it has the potential to completely transform how we power our world. We're talking about turning buildings into energy generators, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, and creating a more sustainable future, all thanks to some clever engineering and the power of invisible light. But this is just the beginning. As the technology continues to improve, who knows what other applications we'll find for it. Quantum dot windows are turning buildings into power plants. No panels needed. Could this light up our green future? Tell us your ideas. Subscribe for more ecotech and check out EcoInnovaTech's BioBots next. Thanks for watching EcoInnovaTech. Keep shining.